Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I have attended the webinar held on 6th December, Sunday. First of all, I would like to thank Bashir sir, Abdul Qadir sir, Mohammad Sayyaduddin sir, Dr. Sophia Begum and my head mistress Atya madam for conducting such a beneficial webinar for us. I am Khan Momina Faiz, a student of Standard 10 from Salahuddin Ayyubi Memorial Urdu High School. Due to coronavirus, we are studying only online and somewhere we have become very passive. But this webinar awakened us very much and we got a platform for setting our goal. It was really very necessary as we are on the first step of our career. As Sayyaduddin sir told, journey of 1000 miles starts from single step. This webinar actually motivated us. Bashir sir, we will keep in mind that passion is stronger than interest. Dr. Sophia Begum, we will be always a part of Indian system. And Abdul Qadir sir, we will try to reduce percentage of illiteracy from 43%. At last, again I would like to thank all of you. Allah Hafiz.
अस्सलामुअलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। मैं अंसारी इशरत फातिमा अब्दुल मजीद सलाहुद्दीन अय्यूबी मेमोरियल उर्दू हाई स्कूल की 10वीं जमात की तालिबा हूँ। अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह सिविल सर्विस एकेडमी के ज़रिए मुनक़्क़द किए गए यूपीएससी इम्तिहान की तैयारी के उन्वान पर ज़ूम मीटिंग में आप लोगों ने हमारी बेहतरीन रहनुमाई की है, जिसके लिए मैं डॉक्टर सूफिया बेगम साहिबा, मोहम्मद सईदुद्दीन साहब, अब्दुल कदीर साहब, बशीर अहमद साहब और हमारी प्रिंसिपल अतिया खान साहिबा की बेहद शुक्रगुजार हूँ। इस मीटिंग से हमें बहुत सी मालूमात मिली हैं और ये मालूमात हमारे मुस्तकबिल के लिए ज़रूर ज़रूर कारआमद साबित होगी। शुक्रिया, जज़ाकल्लाह।
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am Khan Nazra Mohammad Jamil from Salahuddin Ayyubi Memorial Urdu High School. I have attended the webinar held by Civil Services Academy on Sunday 6 December. I would like to thank all the speakers, my headmistress and management, as we are away from school since 6 months. Otherwise some guidance lectures had been arranged by our school, but this webinar really motivated us and somewhere we will definitely change our goals. Instead of becoming teacher, doctor, engineer, we will try to UPSC as we are got much knowledge from all of you and Abdul Qadir sir's various slides. I know all of you are always with us for guidance. Allah Hafiz.